Hello guys, today we're gonna write a little Python script. We're gonna encrypt files in the current working directory, and we're gonna use XOR operation for that. Let's create a new main.py, and here we need to ask our user about the input. So let's use the module get pass for that, and import from that get pass. And also we're gonna operate with files, so let's import s, and here we'll define the variables like keyword, and get pass, enter your keyword, and we need to encode it because we will work with bytes from this keyword. And also let's do it uppercase. And also I will need the length of this keyword. Keyword. I will use a loop, and in the loop it will be, I don't want to calculate it every time. Define new function XOR crypt, and as input I need my file. I need a file content as bytes, and I don't want to proceed if keyboard is empty, if user inputted nothing. So if not keyword, we just return the same file as is. Okay. So now what we need a new variable for new file content, like a byte array. Why byte array? Because byte array is really useful. I can append to it a new bytes I will create in the loop for. And here as well, interesting thing, I need indexes of my file and also bytes. So I use id and I and b in enumerate file through file. Okay, and here I just append to my new file my XOR operation. I do byte and then XOR, and here I use my keyword, but I need to use from my keyword just byte by byte, and I have to indexate it like I cannot just use index as is, because the file is usually much longer. File content is usually much longer than keyword. So we can do this approach. We can do modulo and that keyword length that I created. Oh, keyword. Where is my keyword length? No. Okay. Now I need just return this new file. Okay, the function is done, and we need to go through our files for files in the current working directory, or as scan. The current directory, we don't want to pass something, and here we don't want to encrypt if it's directories or links or something. Only files. We'll work with only files. And also we don't want to encrypt our current script in our work directory. So let's do not file dot is file. So if it's not file, or path base name of our file, it means the name itself of our current script. equals to file.name. So we don't want to do encryption, and we just continue. Okay, now we can proceed with open file.name, and we need to read bytes. rb, what is v? No, rb as file, and let's define it as like content equals f dot read. So we read the content of our file, and now it's in this variable. So with open, now we're actually doing the same file dot name, and now we're gonna write bytes as new file, and new file dot write, and we're gonna write result of our XOR crypt and pass our content to it. Okay, now it's looking good, and we can give it a try. I saved it. I go to my terminal, XOR script directory. Here's my file, and now for testing, we're gonna create a couple of files like echo, like something like like Python, and test.txt. And let's create the second one, like I use large, and no, by the way, okay, we got our files. Let's cut the content of test.txt, okay, and test second.txt. Okay, we can actually do this cut and wildcard like that, and we will cut both files together. So now let's try it. Python main.py, enter your keyword. Let's enter. We have to use to encrypt and decrypt the same keyword. If I will use different keyword for decrypt, I will get a wrong result. So let's do simple keyword here and check what happened. So we see it's scrambled, it's not readable anymore, so our files are encrypted. To decrypt it back, we have to run the same script the same way again with the same keyword. And let's check it. And our files are back again. So, and what will happen if I do for encryption, for example, keyword 123, and for decryption, let's see, okay, it's scrambled, and to decrypt different, for example, 321. I got not readable files again. So, but it's reversible anyway. I can run my script and do the keyword I used last time, 321. It's scrambled, and use the keyword I used first time, and now my files are back. So that's it. We got a simple script for encrypting all the files in the working directory, so it's possible to use for any files. It's not necessary txt files, it might be and documents or any format of documents. So that's it actually, and thanks for watching, and bye.